Hi, this is Greg Sain with the Options Power Team, DominateBinaryOptions.com. I'm doing a video today to show you not only do I still trade silver on my live accounts, I trade it the same way. This is Netdania. That's the alert. It was breached. It was breached here as well. All right. That means that silver hit the numbers that I wanted it to hit in order for me to make a trade for a put for the end of day. So I'm going to do 20, which is the end of the day, and I'm going to do a $1,000 trade, which will pay out $800 cash. I'm going to do a put for end of day, apply, approve. Okay. Now, it's sitting even right now, but it will not be above 146640 by 3 o'clock today. It won't be. Why? Because in the last 12 hours, it hasn't gotten anywhere close. All right. Let's go back over to Netdania. Netdania, the same deal. All right. Let me make it smaller. Where it is now, right now, at 14,641, it hit that yesterday. It just dropped down, so that's in the money. Anyway, it hadn't hit that in days. It doesn't stay there for certain. Okay? Here is where it is now. Right? Got it? Okay, let me make this smaller so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now, here is where it is, 14,643. If you go back in time, it hit that and started dropping. If I go to a 4-hour chart, that's what silver's doing. It's trending down. It always does. Look, indicators. Yeah, they're cool. If you want to trade 15 minutes, trade 5 minutes, whatever, they're cool. But the key to trading is winning. Now, we're winning responsibly and winning safely and winning smartly. Now, here's how you trade smartly. Let's say, for instance, by the end of the day, silver is not where I want it to be. All right? Let's say I lose the trade by the end of the day. No problem. You know why? Because I'm going to use the equalizer and I'm going to make up the trade. So, if I do $1,000, let me go back to net station here. If I do $1,000 and it doesn't work out for me, in other words, it ends up here somewhere. All right. Well, let's just say instead of 6640 or lower, which is where it is right now, let's say it's higher, and I lose that trade for $1,000. I'm going to go to the equalizer and make it up. Simple. We'll start over. This trade won, by the way, yesterday. And that trade made back that money, that money, that money, and put about $9 grand in my pocket. So I'm going to start over. All right. Now, in the event I lose, let's just say I lose. I'm going to set it at $1,000. Which is what the trade was. Hit begin from low goal per trade. It protects your bankroll. Calculator can't do that. Now let's go here. 1-to-1. Set. $1,000. Now let's say I lose the trade, which means the cost of doing business. Not lost money. It's just put in escrow, if you will, until I make it back. CODB. Done. Next I go to 2-to-1. Hit set. That's what my next trade needs to be. So if I lose the current trade here, if I lose it, which I'm probably not, then I make it up by making the next trade $3,250. I can do that because I have two very large accounts. I can do that. But if you have $1,000 account, this 1,000 trade could be 25 bucks. And then if you lose it, you make another trade that's going to be a lot smaller. Let me show you. Let's start over. All right. Let's make it a $25 trade. $25. Begin. Low goal per trade. 1-to-1. Say you lost a trade. You hit set. 25. CODB. No money. Really lost because once you win, you make all that back. Then you go to 2-to-1. Set. It's going to tell you to make an $81 trade. Okay? That's going to make you back the money. When you win, let's say you win this next trade, it makes back the 225s, the net profit of 137 bucks. Believe me, folks, this works like a charm. Now, let's start over. All right? Instead of low goal per trade, let's go to medium. All right? Hit begin. It's all based on what you want to, how much money you want to put in your pocket, based on how much risk you want to put into the market. Hit set. CODB. Now 2-to-1. CODB means you lost the trade. That means you lost money. You just lost the trade. Then you go to 2-to-1, hit set. 88 bucks. All right? Because it's a low trade. It doesn't make that much of a fluctuation. However, start over. Make it high goal per trade because it's $25. Okay? Begin. 1-to-1. Set. CODB. 2-to-1. Because the equalizer believes that you just lost a $25 trade. So your next trade will be 2-to-1. You hit set. $94. Why? Because it's high goal per trade. You're looking for the highest percentage of win profit as possible. So when you win the trade, you make considerably more money. I'm telling you, folks, if you don't do this, you're just wasting time and energy. Simple. Now, I'm going to come back 3 o'clock today and show you whether I won or lost the trade. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to win and put $1,800 in my pocket minus my thousands, 800 bucks. Is that a lot of money? Not a lot of money, but it's okay for 10 minutes work. You saw what I'm doing. And that's been 8 minutes and 17 seconds so far. When I come back at 3 o'clock, there's going to be another maybe 5 minutes of talking, but you'll know automatically. It's going to take 12, 13 minutes. My total work day, 12, 13 minutes, make $800. If you can't live off that, what do I always say? You're a crackhead. Point blank. Be back at 3 o'clock. Okay, I'm back. And I see another situation that the novice trader may not want to do. But as you can see, the trade is losing now by over 100 pips. So does that mean that I'm going to lose that trade? No. 9 times out of 10, I'm still going to win that trade. We got hours to go. It will get down here before the end of the day. But do I take a trade? I could take another trade right now for another $1,000. Or I could do what the equalizer said do. And no, let me start over. I can do what the equalizer said do with the $1,000. Let me go back to 1,000. Okay, hit begin. 1-to-1, set. CODV, go to 2 to 1, set 3250. Then I can go here and make a 3250 right now, assuming it's going to go under here by the end of the day. I'm going to do it. 3250, put, apply, approve. And then all I got to do is sit and wait and see what happens. I'll be right back about 3 o'clock. Okay, again, we've got a big spike. What does the equalizer tell me when I get that high? Okay, let's say I lost it, CODB. The next one should be 3 to 1. Now I suggest you don't do this unless you got a big account, which I do, several actually. Hit set, it's going to be about $6 grand, $7,703. Watch this. End of day. Put, apply, approve. That's higher than yesterday's high. Now it just spiked up a little bit more, and that's fine. But when I win all 3 of these, do you see what kind of money I'm going to put in my pocket today? Do you see? Because it's going back down here by 3 o'clock today. I can guarantee it. All right? I'm not going to take another nap because it's not a big enough pip to change. But I'm staying right there where I am. And I took my 3 trades for today. All right? My 3 trades for today are going to be massive. All right? What ended up happening was I ended up, see, that's human error. Because I switched it from 16 to 20, it went to 5. So what I have to do is to make it right, I have to go to Equalizer and go $7,703 minus $5 equals $76.98. So then I go back over here and I make a $76.98 for end of day. It's spiking now anyway. Perfect. Oh, and my alert just told me that silver just breached the 14.7 mark. So I take it for certain. Bam! It's going to keep going up a little bit today. But I'm telling you right now, folks. Telling you right now, as you can see, silver has done basically the same thing for like 4 straight days. That's how high it was. How long ago? On the 3rd. It got up here on the 3rd. Today is the 6th, and it's going here now. It will not exceed this height. It's going to go down here and do what it does every day. Up, down, up, down, up. And by 3 o'clock today, which is, let's go to 20, right here, it will be down. See that space, that little space between here and 20 here? It's the same distance from here to here. See how far it dropped? It's going to drop, folks. This is common sense stuff. You don't need any indicators. You don't need anybody training you. You don't need to pay nobody to tell you that. I'm telling you, this is all you need. Really. This, Netdania. Now, I use an indicator, yeah. But it's a confirmation indicator for what I already know. Let me make silver big. All right. Of course, there's a big up strong trend right now, but by the end of the day, it's going to drop. I'm telling you, as sure as my name is Greg Sain. Trust me on this. You will see this. If I'm wrong, I'll be wrong, but I'm going to be right. Okay? And again, I made these equalizer trades without the benefit of an actual loss. In the event I lose the first one and the second one, I make it up with this one. But if I win all three, look at the money I'm going to put in my pocket today, people. But you don't get excited about it because it's clockwork. The fourth trade is already winning. Already. Look at silver. Look at what it's doing. It does what it does every day, folks. Pay close attention. I'll see you guys back here at 3 o'clock. Peace. Okay, I'm back. It's about 2 minutes to go. And as you can see, this is my account. This is the balance after all the trades were made today. So I just want to show that right now as to where it is right now. And then I'll show you what it is at the end when all the trades are done. Okay? And right now there's 30 seconds left to go in the day. And as you can see, it's plummeting as we speak. And I'm winning all these trades. Now, the only one I'm not winning, the only one I'm not going to win is that one. Because I made the mistake of hitting for 1630 instead of 20, and I lost that trade. Had I been in 6741, I'd be in the good right now. All those are closed, and I would have won all that money. I missed some money. But again, that's once again human error. Trying to make a video instead of focusing on my trading all at the same time, and I missed a trade. And you'll be able to see that in the video. If you go back in the video, it'll show you that I took a trade for over $3,000 at the wrong expiry time. I did not take it at 20. 20 is over now, okay? I didn't take it when I should have. But silver did exactly what it always does. It got to this peak and it dropped. Day over. Money made. Believe me, folks, I know what I'm talking about here. Do I know how it works all the time? No. But I will show you that on today. Look at the money I made. Look at the money I made on the day. Right? Let's add it up. Okay? I put in as an investment 1,000 plus 32.50 plus $5 because I made that mistake again plus $7,698 equals $11,953. Let me write that down. $11,953. Okay. Now, what was the payout for today? Okay. 1,800 plus 9 plus 13,856.40 equals $15,665.40 minus $11,953 equals $3,712 was made today. Right? How did I do that? How did I put $3,000 in my account after losing a trade? Hit the CODB, hit the win. Not CODB, but the win. This is the one I won. It was supposed to be 7,703, and I hit a $5 one by mistake, which you saw in the video. 2 mistakes cost me money today. That was supposed to be a win. But luckily I did this trade. I would have made, oh man, I'd have made 6 grand today. But even though I made that loss, which I'm showing here as a loss, I still got all $1,000 back because I would have made just 3 trades of $1,000 and put $3,712 in my pocket. Are you feeling what I'm telling you right now? This piece of software is amazing. You have the potential to have a ATM in your house. Go to the optionsequalizer.com. Once you go there, get this piece of software. When you get this piece of software, then I will put you on my private team where you'll get the whole 100% profit method, the whole 100% profit system. Easy. The easy system to go potentially make 100% profit every day. I did not lose one dime today, even though I lost a trade for over $3,000. I did not lose a dime. And that human error is the only reason why I didn't make $9,000 today. Go to, again, you see it right here. Just click on it. Click right there. Click right there and go get started. So you can get all the pieces of the 100% profit system, the easy 100% profit system. All right, how I do this. Figure it out, folks. It's really very simple. You either want to make money or you don't. And with that being said, as always in parting, peace. Oh yeah, before I go, forgot to show you. That's my current balance now. I showed you my previous balance. That's my current balance now. Oh, and by the way, this is unverified because I've never taken any money out. I'm not going to take any money out until this account is at, I don't know, 100 grand. And then I'm going to start taking about 10 grand a month from just this account. So anyway, that's what you can do, folks. That's how you do it. That's how it's done. So, I don't need to say anything else. Right here. TheOptionsEqualizer.com. Peace.